Hello, I've made this video to share with you all some interesting things I've found with a little laser that I've bought a couple of months ago now, and already done quite a few different projects with it. Cutting boxes was one of the best ones, the product boxes. This video is to show a little bit of the cutting of the boxes and some of the procedures used in it. Here at the moment it's at the full cutting stage, going through the steps in the cutting of the box. As you see, underneath of it I have a zinc metal sheet which helps to keep the heat working well, I believe. At the back there's a magnet to help line up, and the blue things you see in the corner, well, they're just flattened out fishing sinkers, which I've covered in masking tape so the lead doesn't mark the cardboard. And we'll have a look, see how it comes out now. Sorry about the bad photography work here, I'm trying to do it with the camera in one hand. Okay, nice clean cut. And just a close up trying to show the fold line cuts, which cut partially down into it and help to make the cardboard boxes easy to fold. Now I go over, these pieces are saved for a different part of the box, and this is the process now at the moment. You just load it in, put it up to the magnet, make sure it's in the right position. Notice in the corner there are little blue lights shining, just where my thumb was. That's the safety weak light, and helps you to make sure you're lining it up in the right position. And to get the next cut going, we turn off the weak light and we'll go over to the program T2 laser, and you'll see that little envelope where the arrow is, and when I push that, that sets it all going again and the laser's off cutting the next box. And this gives you a more realistic look at the speed of the laser. There's not much point speeding it all up. I think that doesn't give anybody much of an idea of the real cutting speed. And in future videos I hope to show a little bit more on some of the processes and drawing in this. Originally the drawing's done in a DXF drawing file. This is a big one I'm working on at the moment, and I hope to be able to get that covered in acrylic soon, and fans and a few different safety procedures. Thanks for watching.